I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials: your Apple ID and password, a working internet connection, and access to your two-factor verification device. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap your name, or open System Settings on Mac and select Sign In. If you don't see Sign In, make sure the device is updated. Once done, enter your Apple ID email and password. Make sure to type carefully because repeated failures can lock your account temporarily. Next, you handle verification and sync choices. When prompted, enter the 6-digit code sent to a trusted device or phone number. If you don't get a code, request it again or use a trusted device to generate one. After verification, you'll be asked whether to merge local data with Icloud. Choose Merge to keep information or Replace to start fresh. Also enable iCloud services you want, such as photos, keychain, and backups. These settings determine what uploads to the cloud and why it helps across devices. Finish by confirming iCloud shows as active and that items are syncing in settings under your name. If something still fails to upload, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then restart the device to clear temporary sync issues. Make sure you back up before signing out if you care about local data. If you're locked out or can't receive verification, start account recovery or contact Apple support with proof of ownership. That process can take time, so be patient and follow their instructions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.